Welcome to the world of Excel like you've never seen before. Today, we're diving into the exciting new features of Copilot in Excel within Office 365. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by data or wished for a little extra help while crunching numbers, Copilot is here to transform your experience. So, what exactly is Copilot in Excel? Think of it as your personal assistant, powered by AI, designed to help you analyze data, create stunning visuals, and automate repetitive tasks. Its purpose? To make your workflow smoother and more efficient, allowing you to focus on what really matters, making informed decisions and driving results. Let's explore three standout features that Copilot brings to the table. First up is data insights. With this feature, Copilot can analyze your data sets and provide you with key insights in seconds. Imagine you have a large sales data set. Instead of manually sifting through rows and columns, you can simply ask Copilot, "What are the top-selling products this quarter?" And it will generate a summary for you. This not only saves time, but also helps you make data-driven decisions faster. Next, we have automated chart creation. Creating charts can sometimes feel tedious, but Copilot simplifies this process. You can select your data and say, "Create a chart that shows sales trends over the last year." Copilot will generate a visually appealing chart that you can customize further. This feature is perfect for presentations or reports, making your data more digestible and engaging for your audience. The third feature I want to highlight is natural language queries. This is a game changer. You can interact with your data using everyday language. For example, you can type, "Show me the average expenses by department," and Copilot will not only understand your request, but will also provide the answer along with a visual representation. This feature is incredibly beneficial for users who may not be as familiar with Excel's more complex functions. Now, let's put these features into a practical scenario. Imagine you're a project manager overseeing multiple teams. You receive a monthly report filled with data on project timelines, budgets, and resource allocation. Instead of spending hours analyzing this information, you can use Copilot to quickly generate insights, create charts for your team meeting, and even summarize the key points in a report. This means you can spend more time strategizing and less time crunching numbers. In summary, using Copilot in Excel within Office 365 can significantly enhance your productivity. With its ability to provide data insights, automate chart creation, and allow for natural language queries, you'll find yourself working smarter, not harder. I encourage you to explore these features and see how they can streamline your workflow and elevate your data analysis game. If you found this information helpful, consider liking this video, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and subscribing for more insights. Embrace the future of Excel with Copilot and watch your productivity soar.